To use the IDOC Watcher, you will require three things: the IDOC Watcher program, the Excel document containing all of your orders, and the Excel document containing the list of all your currently available inventory. To download the IDOC Watcher program, you will need to contact your manager. He or she will most likely send it to you in an email. Once you've downloaded it, place it on your desktop and extract the folder by right-clicking and pressing Extract Here. To get the Excel document containing all of your orders, navigate to the OMRS order screen and select Print as you normally would. Once the file has been downloaded, rename it by either right-clicking the file and pressing Rename or pressing the F2 key on your keyboard. Change the name to Order, then move the file to your desktop and into the Downloaded Files folder that was created when you extracted the IDOC Watcher zip file. To get the Excel document containing the list of all your currently available inventory, first navigate to P50, then select the ZMATA menu Anchor Functions. If you do not have this option in your favorites, navigate to the top of the screen and type in ZMATA_menu, then press Enter on your keyboard. From this menu, select Query/Search, and then highlight Anchor Inventory by Location and press Continue. Under Plant, write your work center's plant number beginning with 87. For sales organization, it's always the same, 0001. Then press Execute or F8 on your keyboard. Press the Export button and then select Spreadsheet. Then press the button beside Select from all available formats, and from the drop-down menu select Excel in Office 2007 XLSX format, and then press the green check mark. A window will appear asking you where to save the document. Navigate to your desktop and save it in the Downloaded Files folder that was created when you extracted the IDOC Watcher zip file. Next, close P50 and return to the desktop. Run the IDOC Watcher.xlsm file and press the blue button labeled Load and Convert OMRS Orders. When Excel opens, you can print this file as you normally would for orders. You'll notice your current P50 stock levels will be listed beside the material, as well as any warnings that are applicable.